related rates. Related rates problems involve two or more problems that can change at the same time, possibly a different rates. If you know how the variables are related and how fast of them is changing, then we can figure out how fast the other one is changing. Sample. Lang. Example. Draw a picture and the name of the variable and constant. Use t for time. Assume that all variables are differentiable of function t. Step 1. You will draw it and then put the given variable. Step 2. Write down the additional numerical information. When pi is equal to pi over 4 times rad, the derivative of phi of the theta is d theta over time is equal to 0.14 rad per minute. Step 3. Write down what we are to find. We want to find the dy over dt when theta is equal to pi over 4 rad. Step 4. Write an equation that relates the variable y and theta. Y over 150 equals tangent theta. Y is equal to 150 tangent theta. Step 6. Evaluate with theta pi over 4 rad and d theta over dt is equal to 0.14 to find the dy over dt. dy over dt is equal to 150 second squared times pi over 4 times 14, 0.14 rad per minute is equal to 150 times square root of 2 raised to 2 times 14. You will get the value of your dy over dt is equal to 42 m per minute.